Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You watching for Tech. OnePlus has started rolling out the big March 2026 update for eligible OnePlus devices. Our OnePlus 13R is stuck on the old OxygenOS 16.0.3 V500 version with the January security patches. There was no SOTA update this device received until now, but finally from the yesterday, OnePlus has started rolling out the new OxygenOS 16.0.5 V701 update. This is a huge update of 1.14 GB. It comes with the massive and the major changelog along with the amazing features. Recently, OnePlus 15 and 13s got V700 while the OnePlus 13 got V701 update. All these updates have same changelog and features. So today in this video, we are going to review all of these features in details along with the ARB status, which is very important for all mentioned devices. This video review is going to super helpful for the OnePlus 13 series and OnePlus 15 series users who have started receiving this big March update. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now without further delay, let's get started. Our update installation is finished. First we'll check out the about device section. The new OxygenOS version, OTA and the version details of OnePlus 13R has been updated to OxygenOS 16.0.5 V701. Since OnePlus 13R didn't receive the March SOTA update, its SOTA version is still mentioned as EX01. All OnePlus 13 and 15 series devices that received this update have finally got the March 2026 security patches. This is one of the major highlights of this update. This update has added some major changes and the features that are same for all OnePlus 13 and 15 series devices. Let's check out them one by one. The first added feature is related to OnePlus Share. In Device Connect setting under the OnePlus Share option, now we have the new toggle named as Automatically Open Received File. This is pretty useful feature because whenever this setting is enabled, any file received from other OnePlus or any compatible devices will be opened automatically in their respective application, or it will give you the prompt for the application selection. Means now we no longer have to search for the received content in the file manager. Next feature is related to Content Portal. The Content Portal feature is available in the accessibility and the convenience setting. This feature helps us to share any content from any application using simple drag and drop feature. In the custom services of this setting, we can now add the cloned application for sharing files. If you are using cloned application, whenever you share the files via Content Portal, we can now choose to share with both the original and cloned application. Next is a major feature of this update. In the OnePlus Clock application for timer section, we can now add multiple timers at the same time. You can create your own task with the timer, or you can select any ready-made task, set the timer and start it. Here you will see the add timer option. Just tap on it and add the new task. In this way, you can run multiple timers simultaneously. All the running timers will be visible in the live alert notification. You can swipe over the live alert notification to switch between different timers, or can pause play all the running tasks by tapping on the live alert notification. Last but not least is very important feature for the users who suffers from the motion sickness issues like vomiting or dizziness while using the screen in moving vehicles during traveling. OnePlus has added new feature called as motion cues in the accessibility and convenience setting. In this option, you will get an intro at the top explaining how this feature works. When you enable this feature, you get the blue dots on all the edges of the screen. When you move the phone, those dots will move in the opposite direction of the device movement. So whenever you are using the phone in a moving vehicles like car, buses or the trains, these moving dots helps to avoid the sensory conflict between the brain and other body parts, mainly like inner ear and the eyes. This helps to prevent the motion sickness trigger. It is mainly useful for the users who face the motion sickness issues while traveling. These are major changes of this update. But if your OnePlus 13R still didn't receive the new OnePlus Photo pop-out feature, you can check out the video link given in the iCard. I will release a separate video part 2 for the review of the battery life and the performance after this update. So stay tuned to our channel. Most importantly, let's talk about the ARB status of this update. All OnePlus 15 and 15 are global and Indian variants that received this OxygenOS 16 V700 and 701 update respectively are safe and do not have the ARB implemented. But OnePlus 13, 13s and 13R have ARB implemented in all the global and Indian variants that got this update. So if you are thinking of rolling back, it is not safe to downgrade after updating to this version. You can check the GitHub ARB checker link given in the video description to verify your device ARB status. This is all about for today guys. Hope you liked our work. Then please do like, hype and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to OnePlus and OxygenOS. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.